In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moomoo to trade options. We'll walk through the desktop app together so you can place your first options trade with confidence. Start by launching the Moomoo desktop and logging into your account. Before you go any further, make sure your account is approved for options trading and that you have sufficient funds available. Without options approval or buying power, you won't be able to submit an order. Once you're in, take a quick look at the layout. Your watch list is on the left, the main price chart sits in the middle, and the order panel is on the right. Knowing where things live will make everything faster. Next, find the stock or ETF you want to trade. Use the search bar at the top left, type the ticker symbol, and select the result to open its asset page. This page will show you a price chart and key details for that symbol. Under the chart, click the Options tab to open the options chain. Here's where every available contract is listed. You'll typically see calls on the left or top and puts on the right or bottom, organized by expiration date. Think of the chain as a menu of choices, each with its own pricing and characteristics. Choose a contract by considering three essentials: the expiration date, the strike price, and the bid-ask spread. The expiration is the last day the contract is active. The strike is the price at which you can buy or sell the underlying. And the bid-ask spread shows current trading interest and potential transaction costs. Click a price to open the contract details page. Here you'll see the Greeks like Delta and Theta, which help you gauge price sensitivity and time decay, plus volume, open interest, and implied volatility, which indicate liquidity and market expectations. When you're ready, click Trade at the top right to open the order ticket. Choose your action. For starting a new position, select Buy to open. If you're closing an existing long position later, you'll use Sell to close. Pick your order type. A limit order is recommended for control over price, especially if the spread is wide. A market order can fill faster but may result in slippage. Stop and trailing options are available if you need them. Enter your quantity, keeping in mind that one contract controls 100 shares. Review everything carefully: the price, number of contracts, and the total cost including multiplier. When it looks right, click Submit or Place Order. One final note: the desktop app is best for single-leg trades. If you plan to use multi-leg strategies like spreads or iron condors, the mobile app generally makes those more straightforward.